So this is probably going to be one of the biggest announcements besides that E61 project we did almost probably a month ago at this point. We got a shop. We actually had an actual shop here in Huntington Beach, California. I'm lost for words. We've gone from working in the driveway to actually having a lift and being able to be a full-scale repair shop here in SoCal. I couldn't do it without you guys. Like a freaking dream come true, honestly. Like, it's everything. We've got a lift here. We've got another lift coming on this area that's gonna be the same as this, but it's gonna be a full service like scale shop. We'll be able to do all kinds of cars more efficiently and more professionally, but it's just way nicer to be in here than busting our asses off in the driveway as you've seen in previous videos for the last couple of years. So it's a big step up for the channel and for S85 SoCal and everything going forward, honestly. It's everything I would have imagined and more, and it's been so quick. This happened all within a month of finding this place and getting everything signed over and just getting in here and just hanging out cars left and right. So I gotta give you guys a tour of the shop. This is where all the magic happens, honestly. It's a pretty basic shop. It's only 1,100 square feet. We've got the 2 lifts, we've got an office space, you know, we've got the typical stuff that most shops would have. We've got the spring compressor over there. We've got the hydraulic press over here. We got a brake lathe, so I can actually turn rotors if need be. We've got a full counter steel top with, you know, a professional vise and a bunch of cabinets. Got toolboxes ready to go. I mean, it's everything here that's ready to be used as on an automotive repair shop. And I'm still by myself here, still the one-man show that you've seen and come to love in the videos. I mean, that's not changing going forward. What is gonna change is obviously the environment we work in. It's gonna be on the lift. It's gonna be a little different going forward in terms of style of video, but it's still gonna be a DIY-esque kind of, you know, approach where we'll still probably be working on the ground just to kind of show you how we do things. And even though we have the lift, you know, we'll still be able to show how to do things if you're on the ground or, you know, if you're on your back. But we'll also be able to showcase more efficiently how things go apart or take apart and go in and out in the car. So it's just gonna be nicer, way nicer. I can't wait to do the first DIY here. I don't know what we're gonna do yet, but if you guys leave a comment in the comment section below, let us know what you guys want to see going forward. We're gonna have a lot of stuff coming in, so you've got a particular repair that you guys want to showcase, rod bearings on an E60M5 or whatever the case may be, just let us know, we'll do it. So this is the office where I sit here, and I got ants already, which is lovely, and I write you the invoice and I take your money. No, I'm just kidding, I don't do that. But all fair honesty, this is, I mean, dude, it's nice to be able to get an escape from the house in terms of working on cars there to actually having a dedicated space to do everything. Again, all thanks to you guys. Jay and I wouldn't be here without the support that you guys have shown over the last, you know, couple of years and growing the channel and everything. And hopefully being here now, we can actually grow the channel even bigger and start to make a more of a bigger impact on the BMW community as a whole. So you'll see a lot of content coming out of here, and occasionally you'll see us still at the house. I'm sure that's not going to change, but you'll just be seeing everything. And if you want to come visit the shop, you're more than welcome to. I'm usually here all days of the week, 7 days a week, all hours of the night and all hours of the day. If you want, the address will be posted in the description below. Just let me know ahead of time if you're planning on coming by. But yeah, that's really just the gist of the shop, and we wanted to show you, you know, what it really looked like and kind of surprise you, because we had never mentioned that a shop was coming, you know. So E61 project, it's on hiatus right now just because of the shop. It's already happened, so we're gonna kickstart that project probably at the end of this month after I catch up and be able to do a lot of that stuff. Yeah, that's really it. So you guys will see more content on that pretty soon. So that's pretty much the end of the video. This is the new shop, the S85 SoCal HQ. Let us know what you guys want to see out of this. We'll be doing a lot of more DIYs now that we have the equipment and the space and the ability to just bring more quality content. So, but that was a quick update. Well, I should say big update, but this is monumental. This is huge. I can't wait to start making more stuff for the channel. So just make sure you like, rate, subscribe. I always forget to say those 3 things. Until next time, let us know what you guys want, and we'll see you in the next video.